What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm on day 9 of the Wilcoxon challenge, and that means I'm playing solo number 9. For those of you who haven't seen the other videos, I'm challenging myself to play every solo out of Charlie Wilcoxon's book, The All-American Drummer. It's a rudimental snare drum book that's got 150 short to medium length solos, and I'm going to play one every day until I finish the book. Today I'm going to play the solo at 3 different tempos like I have been. I'm going to play it at a slow tempo, a medium tempo, and then a kind of fast tempo. I'm also going to play it off the right hand, and then I'm going to play it off the left hand. Let's get to it. The first tempo today is going to be 74 beats per minute, and I'm going to play this one off the right hand. Here we go. The next tempo is going to be 90 beats per minute. We're going to play this one off the left hand. Here we go. Whew! That one's still tough. I got to get used to not reading the sticking. This book has all the stickings written under every note, and it's just hard to naturally not, read the sticking underneath. All right, next. The last tempo for today is going to be 108 beats per minute, and we're going to go back to playing it off the right. This tempo is pretty fast, and it's probably near my top tempo for this piece. If I wanted to play it any faster, I'd have to do a pretty good warm-up and kind of really, get ready for it. So let's see how it goes. Here we go. Whew! Okay, so that was solo number 9. We played it at 3 different tempos. We played it off the right hand and we played it off the left hand. I've got 141 solos left. I'm going to keep making one every day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.